Hey guys, and in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a spinning coin on Scratch. So I'm just going to open a new Scratch tab, go on Create, and uh, let it load, and yeah, there. So what you want to do is, first of all, we want to delete Scratch Cat. I'm sorry, Scratch Cat, but I'm going to have to delete you. There we go. Now make sure to not just start the coding just yet, or make sure not to create it over here. Make sure, or you want to go put your mouse pointer here and click on paint and create a new sprite. Otherwise it's not going to work because you want to make it in backdrops. I mean, it could work in backdrops, but it's best, but like 100% of people will do it in as a sprite. So I'm just gonna name it spinning coin. And then I'm going to go on costumes, and I'm just going to show you like how to create a demo spinning coin. So what you want to do is you want to click, if you're on computer, click shift, and then what happens is it makes a perfect circle. Otherwise it might go like this. Otherwise if you click shift, a perfect circle, it makes a perfect circle. And then put it here in the middle. Always put it in the middle. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it the color yellow. There we go. And now still doesn't kind of really give a coin effect. You want to change its the line color, like the lining to yellow, and change the darkness a little bit lower. Like this should be perfect. It kind of giving coin effect. And what you want to do is make the line a little bit bigger, outline. There you go, we got a perfect coin. But here's the thing, you might think we're actually gonna make it be spinning, right? We're not going to actually be doing that. What we're actually going to be doing is uh go over here. Oops, not sound. We're actually going to make different costumes, and we're just going to be making it smaller. If you can really see, we're just going to play it. You if you can really see, it's actually just getting like small, thinner and thinner and thinner. It's just giving the illusion that it's spinning, but it's actually getting thinner and thinner and thinner. I'll play the project. It's getting thinner and thinner and thinner, and then it's getting fatter and fatter and fatter. So yeah, let's say if 80 costume is perfect, and just let me just leave this and what I'm going to do is make this a little bit bigger. There we go. And 1 second. Nope. There. And I'm gonna do create new one, and yeah, I'm just going to do a little bit smaller, little bit even smaller, and a little bit smaller. So I'm just going to kind of play it. It's kind of giving the illusion that it's going smaller and smaller and smaller. Let me make Let me make it go to next costume. I'm just gonna go and look. Isn't it kind of giving the illusion that is like spinning? Barely ended. Hmm. And like we want to totally close it out. When you do like that, it looks like the coin is actually going like halfway. And then now we want to open it up this time. Just one last costume. And there we go. Yeah, it's yeah, great. Now what we want to do is get a win flag clicked forever next costume. But wait, it's going a little bit too fast. So what you want to do is do 0.01. You gotta wait 0.01. Let's see. There we go. And then yeah, there. But make sure not to put it after, otherwise yeah, it's no difference, cause it's going to go to next caution first and it's gonna make no difference. I'd say like 0.1 seconds is not, like, it's gonna be a little bit too much, but some people like it like a kind of a little bit, like, if you're doing like, kind of want to do it like kind of like a little bit mappy, then yeah, you might want to do 0.1. But trust me, you don't want to do 1, because 1, yeah, I'm pretty sure no one has that style to do 1. Yeah, and there we go. And I'm just gonna change the title to spinning point 2. And I did spinning coin 2 because I already just created one. Oh yeah, I close a tab and I'm gonna do share. And if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and hit that notification button. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.